so cold outside, but it's beautiful. It's gonna be a sunny day despite the misleading clouds this morning so far. The sun hasn't quite risen yet, but it will. Good morning. I'm here in Big Sur. I've just been driving around the coast all morning. I woke up, I stayed in Santa Cruz. I slept in my car, actually, in Santa Cruz. And then I drove from there over to Big Sur, where I'm at right now. I've just been driving around along the coast all morning, stopping around wherever I think looks worth exploring. Yeah, that's about it. Good morning. The weather's amazing. The sun is out. It feels freeing. Down the rabbit hole we go, like Alice. Making my way down towards the waterfall. A plus A. Me plus me. Alyssa plus Alyssa. Yep. And I'm okay with that. My feet are so cold. I'm just relaxing in the car. I could totally go for a shower right now, but I can't. I have schoolwork to do today, but right now I'm just watching tarot readings on YouTube from Queen Alice Love Exists Visions. Hi. Gonna get in the car now. I just took a break for a little while and sat, relaxed, because I've been driving so much. Now I'm back on the road. I have some schoolwork to still do, and I'll be staying in LA tonight. So I got a lot of driving. Wow, look at this coastline. It's incredible. The water looks so beautiful too down there. Look at it. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's a black sand beach over there. I'm here in Harmony. Honestly, because I'm just really tired, so it's not safe for me to be driving. I'm here in a little town called Harmony. Wow, it's so cute here. love it. Harmony Pottery. That's funny. I get it. Holy cow. So beautiful. I love the whole vibe of this town. So cute. Harmony. Population 18. So cute.